It's time to set up September in my Laurel Denise Kristy planner. And this is going to be so fun because I have my new Planner Kate stickers. They arrived and I don't remember what I got. So this is going to be fun. Oh, I think I know what they are, but here, I'll give you a sneak peek because those are the colors, which is a total departure from August colors. I'm kind of excited about this. So I'm going to turn this around. I'm excited to get this set up in advance. I'm actually filming this when I did the first week in August. I'm wearing the same clothes and I'm going to post it the same week. So I just thought, well, let's just roll into it. I'm sitting here, I'm set up, and I want to get September done so I can start filling it in. I want to get better at the monthlies, as you know. I'm not as good at keeping after the monthly. And I think that's because I don't have one of the traditional Laurel Denise planners where the monthly and the weekly are all combined on the same page or in the same like format. Mine are, separated by a few weeks. But it is good to have it done in advance. So I do have a few stickies on there that I'm going to pull off, and we're going to turn this around and we're going to set up September. Let's pull these out and see what I got. I tried to do that so it wouldn't be too noisy with the crinkly paper. Let's take the freebies. Ooh, which freebies did I get? I always love this. So when you order with Planner Kate, you get a bunch of these little small ones. Oh, I love the arrow. Ooh, what can I use that for? That's kind of great. And these, I need to use more of these. They're so great. And the push pins, so fun. So I love those. So this is what I got. I can't remember what it's called, but it's burgundies, pinks, very fallish looking colors for September, which is not normally, oh, they're books. See those little books? Can you see those little books? I know there was a reason. Oh, yes. So I don't know what this is called, but it's got like little hats and there's like a Kindle or an iPad and little coffees. Oh yeah, I don't know. This one really spoke to me. Yes, Bookish Days. Now I remember. This one is so pretty. Ooh, look at that. I love the washi. This is going to be so much fun. I may need to order more of these because I'm going to want to just pepper these all over the month. So I'm so glad I actually picked this up. And I'm bummed because I didn't get any more of these from the, what do you call it? The sale that she had. Oh, I should have thought about that. So let's put these off here. The few things that I had sticky notes in. They do have dates on them. And this is September. So let's get September set up. And I do want to talk about incorporating this Happy Planner Cozy Cup sticker book. Because when I saw these little coffee mugs or, little coffee cups or whatever, mugs and teacups and all that, I had bought this a long time ago, or recently, I shouldn't say a long time ago, when I did all the planner, Happy Planner sticker books. And I just thought there's some really fun, like all these kind of colors go together. Look at this. This is going to be so much fun. Member of the coffee club. Me Time Planet with all the coffee. Look at these. Brewing coffee instead of negativity. I mean, look at these. These are like little tabs. I don't know what people use those for, but those are really fun. Taking life one matcha at a time. Life is better with boba. I mean, coffee cup, tea club. I mean, aren't these great for appointments and stuff? I love the hearts. Fueled by tea, fueled by coffee. Oh, anyway, these are just so much fun. So I thought I could incorporate these stickers with these because it's like booky. The kind of colors are similar. Let me just go through. I just thought these all could kind of go together. And to-do lists, the agenda, write it down, today's plan. Yeah. So that's where I'm going with this. I want to incorporate some of these in here. But first, let's get the structure done. This is the weekly kit, so that's for every week, so we can put that aside. We've got the bigger and then some thin washies. These are awesome. Maybe I could use these in here.
This is the weekend. We've got these, then this is the banner that goes across the top. This, we can use these. This is gonna be so great. So let's get this going. But first, I sort of want to think about it because here I did these flowers after the fact, like this I should have put down and then this over it. So I want to sort of think about what I want to do. The 1st of September is a Tuesday. And then this is a holiday, so I could do something here because it's a holiday. I've got this whole section. I do have this that I can lay down here and I could put things over it. And if I'm going to incorporate any of these, I don't have any book reading stickers like this, but I should go to Happy Planner and see if I can get some. But I don't want to overthink it. But this kind of coffee club, maybe I could use this somewhere because we have, let's see, all these sections down here. We have one day here, which I would usually put Hello September here. And then I have this. So I want to think about before I put the numbers down, I'm going to think about if I want to put anything in the middle from this. Okay, so I'm going to think about it, but I want to be smart about it. I love these books too. Where am I going to put those? Those are really fun. So let's see. That is a finished look at the monthly for September. And I'm kind of loving it. I'm so glad I pulled out these little stickers and added them, put this taking life one coffee at a time. I used my white, what's it called, Uniball? I just bought these because I knew I wanted to cover up when I did the clear stickers. So you can sort of see it in there. I didn't do a great job. I got it on my fingers, you can see. I was trying to see if it dried. And I thought, fueled by coffee after the holiday, right? I probably need to put another one here because we're going away here. This is my birthday, so that's why I put that there, the heart and the celebration. And then just sprinkle these in here, and it's just kind of fun. So now I need to fill in some other things, but I'm really happy with it. And the colors are great for fall, even though we don't have this kind of look down here in Florida because it's still sunny and hot, but I love the thought of fall compared to, you know, August. And then if we go back to July, and I'm loving how, where is June? June, I didn't do a lot. And then what have we got for May? So this is like, I'm loving doing more decorations in the actual month. I love how this turned out.
When I look back and see how little I decorated, and I sort of tiptoed into decorating my planner, and now I'm getting really into it, and I want to find some more sticker books. I'm going to go back to Happy Planner. I don't know why. I really like these sticker books, and I want to find one and see if they have one with reading, because this September seems to be coffee, reading, all the things. And this is a really fun sticker book. I remember finding it. I think I bought it a few months ago, and I thought, you know what, this is going to be really fun, but when is it going to match some of the colors in the seasons? And I bought the September, and when I was going through my books last week, I thought, oh my gosh, I think I can use these for September. So I'm really excited about this. It turned out really fun. So let me know what you're using for September. Are you decorating, or do you like really minimal, just a few washi, maybe just writing in what you're doing? Because I'm kind of into this. I think I may have to buy some new pens because the Laurel Denise's are all like springy, summery colors. I think I need some like burgundy and navy and this like pink color. Oh my gosh, I think I'm just gonna end up going to like Amazon and Happy Planner and buying more pens and more stickers. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So I'm gonna put these away. And gosh, I think I'm gonna have to make a list. I'm gonna have to make a list in here on this page. Well, no, because it's September, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go back to, if you saw my earlier video, I'm gonna go back to this week when I'm actually doing this, week 32, and write a list of all the things that I wanna get for my September planner. I'm so excited. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know in the comments what you're using for September. Have you gotten organized for September? Or are you already through the end of the year with all your months sort of set up? I'm month by month because I like to see what new stickers Planner Kate comes up with, and I like new. I like to see what's there and compare it to what's current so that I can see which one I like best. So that's the problem that I have. I can't be too many months in advance because I don't know what she's going to come out with. But this week, Planner Kate's October stickers will be published, so I will soon know what I'm going to be doing for October. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next video goes up, and I will see you in the next video.